Hello, viewers. A very good afternoon. Maswera say. Interesting moments ahead. I don't want to take much of your time, but we need to talk about this urgently and quickly. So, Munalonzi Chris Mutsvangwa atsvairwa adzingwa basa, and this comes at a moment where he is being accused of wanting to stage a coup last January. So we just saw those posts circulating on social media kuti ndozvaaida kuita and he had to change tactics, but right now tiri kuonaka kuti mukomana ari apa asi mukomana adzingwa and he is no longer the minister of the war veterans. So let me get straight to the point and bring this later from the Ministry of Information. There is a lot of reshuffling yaitika, guys. Zvichireva izvo kuti ZANU-PF zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka, hakwasi kudyiwa rinopisa. No matter how they will try to maintain brave faces, but it will be impossible. So let me read. And the Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet, Dr. Rushkwaya, has announced the following appointments by HE President Idi Mnangagwa. Honorable Ompile Marupi as Deputy Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services. Honorable Sheila Chikomo as Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs. Honorable Benjamin Kabikira as Deputy Minister of Local Government and Public Works. These are the new appointments, Team Zimbabwe, which were placed by President Emmerson Mnangagwa recently. Remember, all these three portfolios, I have not said kuti ndivana vanga variko ikoko as deputy ministers, but kune vanhu vanga variko. We need to take a look onto that issue. But this is a press release which is right here onto the screen, Team Zimbabwe. And the Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet, Dr. M. Rushwaya, announced the following announcement. The announcement is under. But, guys, what is very important is there is a further. The Chief Secretary has announced the removal with immediate effect of Honorable Christopher Mutsvangwa as Minister of Veterans of the Liberation Struggle Affairs. This is what is happening in Team Zimbabwe. No one knows. But there is a speculation, guys. There are two versions of this story. There is speculation that Chris Mutsvangwa arikunziye ane aida kutamba mudhara. That is another version. Another version is zviri kunzi ane post yaruda kuchunirwa because pane mukuru aruda kudonhedzwa. Those are the two versions which are there. So I don't know, guys, kuti which one is true, which is the actual version. Iri chayo. So Team Zimbabwe, this is very important. This is the reason why also Chamisa refused to play party politics. It's because he know for sure kuti these people wanted him to be occupied in party politics, well-laced kunyika kune zviri kuitika. MuZANU-PF hazvinatombomira zvakanaka. This is 3rd February 2024. Vatotanga kudzingana, vatotanga kubvisana mabasa. And hameno. Hatisi kuziva mama Mutsvangwa, gogo Mutsvangwa ndo vasara variko. We do not know if she is going to survive as well. So let me try to check who were the deputy ministers recently. Vanga vari deputy ministers uko tonoti kwadonewa nani. Forgive me, I don't know what is happening right here with my system. I'm trying to open a new page and take a look on the Deputy Minister of Information, right, in Zimbabwe. Tatoda kuona kuti tonoti ndiani anga aripo recently. Okay. So I'm failing to find team racho kuti rimwe nderipi ratiri kuda panapa, but there are a lot of people. Okay, izvi ndezvanhasi izvi. Okay, ndezvanhasi. I'm trying to find kuti tizoti ndevapi vanga varipo varemovwa or vareplacwa. So I will try to find kuti ndevapi vabviswa, pane vabviswa here, pane zviri kuitika here. But these are key appointments dzaitwa ma-deputy ministers ayo. I will try to find out kuti anga ari vacant or anga vagara varipo, and then we will deal with that issue. So ndo zviriko kuZANU-PF. Chris Mutsvangwa, the loud mouth, has been removed from the Ministry of War Veterans, and we do not know the reason why he has been removed from that portfolio. Who is going to be put in that portfolio? The reasons behind, it's not so clear, but there is speculation kuti mukomana anga kuda chigaro china mudhara ndokubvanzayo chimbogara pasi. So those are zviri Team Zimbabwe. Those are zviri. Let me try to go to the comments and see kuti zvikanzi anze, what about the dismissal? Okay, so kupati asati adismisswa, we are hearing kuti angobviswa ku Ministry of War Veterans, asi kupati asati aona a letter of dismissal from the party. Zvikanzi, I suspect you don't like what has just happened. The time for you to man up and do what Zimbabweans did to Smith is come. Okay, Kudena Mutsvangwa, zvikanzi, where is the dismissal of your summary? On your summary. Okay, zvikanzi, congratulations to your appointment, Honorable Sheila Chikomo. Okay, and vamwe vari kukorokotedzana. Okay, zvikanzi, why are you leaving the fired Mutsvangwa removal? Munotya. Okay, zvikanzi, Mugabe once said, okay, Mnangagwa doesn't forgive. Okay. And I have always wondered if he managed to forgive Mutsvangwa, who once said, Dambudzo Boda Jamba. Okay. Because Rick Bagwana, I hope you have your bag pegged for Heathrow Airport, because one day we'll shake hands in the streets of London. Okay. So, guys, as now Miramush. Mutsvangwa vaenda kudubu haachadzoki kudubu vaenda kudubu. So ndozviri kuitika guys kuZANU-PF, ndosasagara taiwa kuZANU-PF ka chero zvikanzi zuva rabuda nekupa hatende, beta ungogara zvako urumba kwako than kuenda kuchipati chekuti if you oppose mukuru, if you want to be a president mupati momomo, you are a threat. Hazvina kuchataka kuti uve ambitious, because mudhara hanti vari kupedza here term yavo this year. So it's expected kuti vanhu vange vari ambitious. Vari kupedza ka 2028 kuZANU-PF teta kuda umwe munhu munyowani. So it's expected kuti vanhu vange vari ambitious kureplace akamudhara. But mudhara wacho haasi kuda kureplace. Arikuda kuisa ani ipapa. We do not know guys kuti vana ava team iri rinombozvifambisa sei. But these are signs ekuti zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka. We'll continue to take a look and give you updates guys kuti kupati zvinenge zvazonzi chii. Let me try to find out kuZANU-PF toona kuti kuZANU-PF achiriko here kana kuti zvabva zvaendwa zvekare kuZANU-PF ikoko. Okay, so the last thing I'm seeing right now is about the burial of someone. Ndozvandiri kungoona panapa. I can't see anything new about Chris Mutsvangwa's dismissal from the party at this moment in time, which means Chris Mutsvangwa remains within the party, Arico Communications as of now. We do not know if they are going to actually remove him also from other portfolios. Remember guys kuti Chris Mutsvangwa ndiye aionererwa Chamisa this Chamisa that, ye toda kusunga toda kuita sei, ndiye aenda manje. So guys zvimwe zvinhu ngatidzikamei manje, ngatidzikamei. A lot is happening. So andizive. So this is the case. Team Zimbabwe angobviswa ku Ministry of War Veterans, hakuna kupiwa ma reasons. We do not know. As I said, pane two versions dziripo. Dziri kutaurwa kunzi vari kuda kuchunirwa imwe post, vamwe vari kuti aiwa akagumburana nevakuru saka anzi kumba. We do not know kuti zvichamira sei, zvichafamba sei, but as of now ndiwo mamiriro azvakaita. Let us talk in the comment section. What's your take?